Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at Creators Theory. In today's video, we'll see how to create the Google search animation in Filmora. But before starting this tutorial, if you don't have the latest version of Filmora, then make sure you download it from the link in the description below. And if you're new to this channel, then make sure you hit the subscribe button to follow for more Filmora related tutorials. So let's get started with the tutorial. As you can see, I've already downloaded all the media in the bin. So these images will be available for free download. The first link in the description below. So you can just click on the link, go there, go ahead and download it for free. So what we'll do, we'll first go into sample colors, and here we'll bring down the white background. So I will keep this to around 6 seconds. So let's keep around 6 to 7 seconds. That is how much I want this animation to be. So once you're done with that, let's go back and bring in the Google logo, and let's just expand it and the search bar. So as you can see, there are two things on the screen right now. So what I will do, first I will click on the search bar, and if you want to create these elements illustrations from scratch, then you can check out our logo animation video by clicking in the top right corner right now. And so let me just arrange these, and let me just minimize the Google as well, and let me just take the Google over here and let me place it in between, and let me place this search over here. So this will be the position of my Google and the search bar, the Google logo and the search bar. So now what we'll do, we'll come over here. As you can see, I am here a little ahead in the timeline, and what I will do, I will double click on the Google logo image and go into animations, go into customize and click on add keyframe. Once I'm done that, I will go to the start, and then what I will do, I will move this X position to the top and move this out of the frame. And again I will double click on the search bar and go to the same position where the Google logo is, and again click on add keyframe, and again go to the start and move this below. I will not move this up, I will move this below. Now click on OK. Now if you play this video, you can see it's coming, the animation comes, the logo comes from up and the search bar comes from below, and it meets over here. So once it meets, keep a 2 frames gap and go into titles, and I will bring the default title down below over here, and let me just decrease it. I will double click on it and just type the brand name. For this video purpose, I will write the channel name. So as you can see, it is white right now, so let me just change the color to black, and let me just decrease this size so that it can fit inside this search bar. I will position this a little over here, and now what I will do, if you want to change the font, you can go ahead and change the font, but I'm good with this one. So I will again go into the animations, and we will make it typewriter animation, and Creators Theory. As you can see, just go into advanced, and make sure you don't have any out in or out. You have in animation but not an out animation. Click on OK and click on OK. So once you're done this we'll go back into the media, and now we'll bring down the arrow key. So let's go over here, let the animation complete, and when it completes, let's bring in the arrow. And so as you can see, this arrow, let me just bring down the size of it. I will hover it over here. I will go a few frames ahead, maybe over here. Again I will double click, let me decrease this size. I will double click on add, and click on add over here, and we'll go back into the first frame, maybe increase the size a little bit, go to the first frame over here, and I will move this out of the frame. So as you can see, a keyframe is created over here. Click on OK, and now if you see, it comes over here. And now after it comes over here, what I will do, I will go 2 frames ahead. I will double click on it, and I will decrease the scale to 90. I will go of 2 frames ahead and again make it 100. So now if you click, now if you see, you will be able to see a click animation over here. So if you want, you can increase the frame time, and so you will be able to see the click animation more clearly. So once it is done, what we'll do, let me just decrease this, and once it is done, in the next frame we will select the Google frame and we'll double click on it. First what we'll do, we'll just add a keyframe over here. Let's just add a keyframe. And maybe go a few frames ahead over here and add the Y position to 260 and click OK. Now if you see, it's going up. So once you're done with the Google keyframe, what we'll do, we'll click on the search bar option. We'll double click on it and add a keyframe similar to the Google one, and we will go a few frames ahead, and over here I will change the Y to 280. Click on OK, and if you go now, the search bar will also go up, but as you can see, the text is still here. So what I will do, as soon as the search happens, I want this text to disappear, so I will close it over here. So the search happens and the thing goes up. So now what I will do, I will go again and bring the logo down here. So as mentioned, if you want to know how to create a logo like this, you can check out our logo animation video, link in the description. So what I will do, once this goes completely up over here, I want this to be in the center, maybe a little up over here. So I will double click on it and click on add, and I will go to the similar position where this keyframe is over here, this one, the search bar and the Google, and I will move this completely down. So now if you look, this animation will look as smooth as possible. So that's the animation. The Google logo goes up and the search bar goes up and our brand logo comes in. And after this comes in, what we'll do, we'll add a title again so that it shows our brand name, and we'll double click on it. Let's just add Creators Theory over here, and just for a change, let's change this font, and as you can see, it is not visible right now. So change the color, and let me just position this. Let's click on OK. I will just bring this down a little bit. Now let's see this entire animation from the start. As you can see, this animation is too quick, so you can just drag it out and increase the time for every bit over here. So that's it guys, with this simple Google search animation. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure hit the subscribe button. See you guys in another video. Till then, see ya.